to Sagist Group Luxury Furniture Factory, where luxury meets true craftsmanship.
At Sagist Group, we redefine elegance, our expertly crafted furniture for hotels, villas, homes, restaurants, and offices blends timeless beauty with refined comfort. Our expertise: hotel furniture, full turnkey solutions, bespoke reception desks, luxurious beds, stylish lounges crafted to impress. Home furniture, elevated dining spaces with premium, elegant design. Zilla furniture, custom chandeliers, statement pieces, unmatched craftsmanship tailored for luxury living. Restaurant, full stylish tables, chairs, and bar stools designed to create warm, inviting spaces. Ergonomic chairs, sleek desks, smart storage, all to boost performance and style. Our signature services: every piece is made to match your unique vision. We turn your ideas into stunning, harmonious interiors. Project management, on time, on budget, perfectly executed. Worldwide shipping and installation, from our factory to your project, safely delivered and installed by professionals. Why Sagist Group? Because excellence is our standard. From premium materials to expert craftsmanship, we deliver more than furniture, we create experiences. Sagist Group, the art of fine living crafted with perfection.